Hey there, this is Wanda with Pretty Cute Press, and today I wanted to pop in and give you a quick tutorial on a neat little thing I found inside of eRank recently. Um, they have a option where you can use it to create quick videos for your products, for your SC listings and things like that. Now, of course, if you're creating your images in Canva, you can create quick images and videos in Canva, but this is also an option if you're using something else, another software, or maybe you created your images some time ago and now you're trying to go back and create a video. What you can do is just simply take your mock-up images. So I'm going to take some images here from a recent product I did, and I'm just going to drag and drop those inside of the tool in eRank. So I am on a uh, pro subscription of eRank. I'm not sure if this tool is available on their free plan or not. You'll have to check on that. So to find this, you would log into eRank. You'll go down to listing optimization, and then you want to go down to create video, which is a new beta feature. And here, like I said, I dragged and dropped my images in there. You can set how do you want it to be, whether square, horizontal, vertical, and how long you want the video to be. You can set what type of transitions you want and how long the transition should be. You could also upload a logo here. And this is frames per second, which is something I'm not really familiar with. And then you can also pick your position of where you want that logo to show up. I'm not going to worry about doing a logo, but I just simply dropped my images in, and these were images that I did create in Canva. Like I say, you can create, a quick little video for your listings right inside of Canva. But if you have a lot of old mock-ups that you have and you didn't do it inside of Canva, you can simply bring these in here and create a little video. So what you could do is you can change the position of these. If you wanted this one, another one to be in front, you can do that. So you can easily move these around. You can change what transition you want. If you want different transition effects on certain slides, you can do that as well. And then you can also take a quick preview and see what your video looks like. You can see that on the screen. And I'm going to leave that like it is. I do have a spot for another image there, but I'm not going to worry about that. After you looked at your video and you're happy with it, then you can simply go down to the export button and save it on your desktop or phone or whatever device it is that you're creating. And then you'll be ready to upload it to your Etsy or Shopify listing or even social media. Hope this quick tip was helpful. See you next time.